Hi everyone, great to see you back at Step by Step English.
In part 1, we saw the kitchen, laundry room, and dining room. Today, we will explore another rooms and items. Let's continue our house tour.
Hello again, and thanks for coming back. Let's check out another room. You are now in the living room. A living room is a room where people sit, relax, and spend time together. Here is where we sit and relax. It's called a sofa. This is a coffee table. The coffee table is where we can put drinks, books, or decorations. Look, we have here a stand lamp. The stand lamp is a big light that stands on the floor. This is a wall clock. A wall clock is a clock that hangs on the wall and shows the time. These are the curtains. We use the curtains to cover the window. Here are the bookshelves. We keep books on these shelves. This chair is an armchair. Here I sit to read books. Look, there is a carpet under the armchair. We are in the bedroom. This room is where we sleep and rest. First, we have the bed. A bed is the furniture where we sleep. Look at the pillow. The pillow is what we rest our head on. This is a bedside table. We put our things on it. Here's a bedside lamp. We use the bedside lamp to read or see at night. We have here a chandelier. This is a dressing table. We use the dressing table to get ready and look at the mirror. That's a wardrobe. A wardrobe is where we keep our clothes. Part 2 ends here. Are you ready for Part 3? Let's continue in the next video.
Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun lessons. Thank you for watching.